Okay, so good morning everyone. So hope everybody is having a good day. So again, I am your Sir Robbie. So today we will have a training for our LC tab. This is a very huge tab, guys. No, we will have continuous refill on this tab, and it will be a great opportunity for you guys to work on, improve your skills, to earn. Okay, so this will be a very good opportunity to earn, especially for our newbies. Uh, so let's start. Let me share my screen. By the way, guys, is my audio okay? Is my voice okay?
Yes, sir.
Opo.
Sige, thank you. Again, apologies in advance. I'm not very fluent in English. Kayo na lang bahalang umintindi. Okay? So first, for this project, we will use our wait. We will use our labeler IDs. Okay? So all the tasks is located on the labeler side. Okay? So first, uh, when you pull, that the task will look like this. Okay? Guys, you need to ignore this color red. This stands for our canopy. So for canopy, we do not need to capture them for now. Okay? So all you need to do is just press Control 1 to remove the canopy. Okay? Control 2 to change to canopy. But for now, again, we do not need to capture the canopy. Okay? So it's I think it's announced on our wait, on our project. Ignore 3 canopy. Okay? So we do not need to capture the canopy. For now, we need to focus on the man-made structures, man-made objects, man-made categories, such as road, okay, building, intersection, etc., parking, payment, sports ground, and so on. All man-made features, all man-made categories. The rest, nature such as forest, water, shrub, grass, ignore. Okay? We only need to capture for man-made. So as you can see, guys, most of the tasks are rural. Okay, so for example, the AI actually captured the map perfectly. So for this one, we do not need to do any editing. We just need to submit. If you do not see any errors on the task, do not do any. You do not need to do any editing. It's fine to submit it just at it is. Okay. So for this one, control one to remove the what do you call this canopy, because sometimes the canopy is uh ano, what do you call this? Just remove the canopy. Okay, so just press Control 1 and check for man-made structures if it is captured properly, perfectly. If there are any errors, we need to fix. So for this one, this is a fake road. We just need to delete, check if it is actually a fake road, and this is good enough to submit. So as you can see, guys, the task is quite easy. For this one, ignore the canopy, press Control 1. So for dirt roads, I think we need to catch up for them. So this is fine. Just leave it as it is. This one, I think it's better, guys, to change this. We are not sure if this is actually a long drive. Okay. So for this one, hole. So we need to fill this one. I think it's better to leave it at as it is. Okay. So again, we are not sure if this is actually a long drive or a road. So it's better, since the AI captured it as long drive. So just leave it as long drive. And then this is good enough to submit. This one, dirt road, I think we need to capture them as well. So since the AI captured them uh, good enough, so this is good enough to submit. So again, Control 1, remove the canopy, delete I think this is a fake road. Okay, so let's just delete this one. Check the road, delete, and this is good enough to submit. So as of now, I'm not seeing any other categories. Okay? Wait, guys. Wait. Okay, so let's continue. So again, control 1. Guys, these are not roads. So these are considered as fake man-made categories. So let's just delete for them. You need to delete fake categories, okay? Do not just ignore them. You need to delete them. So check. Okay, so this is good enough. Let's just submit. Control 1. Again, fake roads. Guys, you need to delete these fake roads. Oh, for this one. Oh, so I think this is a road. So it's better to leave this one. But this one is not. This is a fake road. Delete. Then submit. So fake driveway. We need to delete for this one. I think also this is a fake road. So there's just a lot of fake roads here. Let's cut. You need to cut where the road ends. Okay. So I think this one should be use the repair tool. Guys, as much as possible, do not delete and redraw. Just use the repair tool if you need some fixing. There should be no. I think it's better to delete this one. Let's just delete this. Same with this one. Delete. This is not a road. Control 1. Okay, so there are other categories here. Driveway. I think this should be okay. Road. For this one, let's check. So this is long drive. This one should be outside parking, correct? Next is long drive, intersection. Hmm. Make sure the shape is there's no weird cuts like this. Okay, the shape should be smooth. The edges should be smooth. So it's better to cut and change this to parking. This I think this should be just fill this one with sidewalk. Okay, do not leave gaps, especially if it is a man-made. All man-made categories should be labeled. So remove this intersection. It should not be here. Just tag everything as sidewalk. Then this should be good enough. So be mindful of your shapes, guys. For example, like this one, this is not acceptable. So just use the repair tool to cut to it to the edge like that. And this should be good enough to submit. This one, I think this is not man-made. Okay, so this should be uh what do you call this? Bare land. Okay, so let's just delete this one and then submit. We only need to label for man-made categories. So bare land is not man-made, it is part of nature. So again, control 1, delete this fake pavement. Oh, I accidentally failed a task. So it's fine. So again, F1, control 1, sorry. So the road is captured perfectly. Intersection, and then this is good enough to submit. Okay. So for this one, we have a wrong Kate. For this one, guys, wait, I need to report this one. Okay, guys. So for a while, I need to report this one. For a while, guys, I need to confirm with Sir Paul if we can just delete those, what do you call this, fake buildings, fake categories. Okay? Yes, I know. I know. Wait, guys. I'm still chatting with Sir Paul. Wait. Rai, andyan ka ba? Pwede ka mag-share ng streaming doon sa kabila sa Discord. Oo, kasi yun full na nga daw. Pwede pa-share na lang do'n sa kuwan, sa main talaga. Oo, sa main talaga. Thank you. Guys, Sir Paul is not responding. So,
Okay na boss, ito yung link.
sige, thank you, thank you. So again, guys, so apologies. We need to wait for Sir Paul response about this black image. So we might cause error if we delete this one. So I'm not sure what to do with this one. So I have to wait for his go signal. Okay, so for a while, guys.
Nagaginaw ako eh.
Okay, so I'll just move to a different ID for now, since Sir Paul hasn't responded yet. So I'll just move to a different
I'm
ID. Okay,
listening,
so for a
meeting.
while, I'll just open my new ID.
It's echoey.
Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so is my screen okay? Okay, thank you. So again, guys, you need to ignore for our latecomers. You can ignore all um, um, three canopy category. So yeah, you just need to press Control 1 to fix to remove the tree canopy. So we just need to focus on all man-made objects, man-made structures, man-made categories. So the road is good enough. This should be good enough to submit. So actually, guys, the task is quite easy as you can see on our training. So again, press Control 1 to remove the canopy. Check. So for this one, it's better just to change this to road. So we need to be consistent with this one. Remove this part, okay? And then change to road. So same with this one. Change to road. So it's better to do it like this. So for again this one, I think this is a fake road. Since this is a bank of a river or an edge of a river, there should not be any road here, right? So we need to delete for this one. Guys, please mute your mic. Fake roads, delete. Uh, this one. Oh, it's better just to delete this one. Delete fake road. Again, also this one, this is a fake road. This should be deleted.
Sir, yung share screen mo po.
Bakit? Hindi nakikita?
Masyado pong maliit. Parang yung nakashare po yung mismong meet sa kabila.
Wait. Let me share again.
So, pwede tayo
How about now? Okay na ba? Sige. So again, this should be good enough to submit. So you should not, guys. I think you won't encounter very many errors on this task. Okay. So let's just focus on fixing the all man-made categories. So Control 1. So the road is good enough. Fake road. You just need to be careful with these fake roads. Okay. It doesn't mean it's flat and it has tire marks. You need to capture it as road. For example, like this one. It might look like a road, but I think I can tell that this is not a road. So for this one, let's just delete and we can retain this road on the top. No other categories. And this should be good enough to submit. So let's check this one. The error. Wait, guys. This is an LC tab. So this comment is this comment should not be here. Wait, guys. Sorry, ah. So since the tab just opened, so there are quite few errors that are showing up. So actually for this one, as you can see, there's an error pointing to this one. But if you do topology, so there's no error. So I think for this comment, you can just ignore for now. Okay, so, while waiting on the updates, we can just ignore. So let's continue. Guys, for this one, do you think this is captured? Okay, so this is captured correctly. Who can tell if this is captured correctly? For this one, no. Why? What category should we use for this one? So I've seen a lot of newbies who captured this wrong. So if you remembered your training, if you see any double parking on the parking lot, so if you see double parking again, they should be captured as what? Parking lot. Very good. So this is wrong. Okay? So if you can capture it as outside parking if there's only one parking spot. But if you see any double parking row like this one, opposite parking, this should be captured as parking area only, not outside and long drive. This is on this side, it's fine. But for this one, it should be a outside parking only. So it's better to change everything into parking area like that. So fill the missing gaps. So for this one, I think it's okay to leave it as uh, pavement. No? So this should be ground. I think it's better just to tag it as pavement na lang. As pavement. And this should be good. Let's see. Let's check the entire map. So exclude, we need to exclude ground. Okay, so this one is not pavement. So let's just use the repair tool to exclude. Tag this as pavement. This one also, fake sidewalk. You need to delete for them. And this should be... this should be good enough to submit. Guys, please do not rush on your task, okay? So the benchmark will depend on the difficulty of the task. I think it's better just to tag this as pavement. Those fake sidewalks, we need to remove them. And let's submit. Let's try to submit. So this one. Sidewalk, yeah. Next, Control 1 to remove the canopy. So long drive should be okay. This one, fake long drive, need to be deleted. Guys, for the driveway should be in front of the building, not on the back side of the building. So for this one, it's better to tag this as pavement. The driveway should be in front of the building. So let's just fix this. Okay, pavement. Pool. So this is wrong. Tag this as pavement. So let's capture this. Let's just redraw. Cut. Fake pavement. Fix the driveway. This should be good enough. Pavement. This one, I'm not sure. If you're not sure, ignore. Fix the driveway. So as you can see, the shape is weird. Yeah. So cut, cut, and then this should be good enough. Sidewalk. Also, guys, this is wrong. It's better to tag this as one category. We only use long drive if it measures more than 60 meters. Okay, so let's check this one. So yeah, more than 60 meters. You can check the length below. See, it's more than, I think 70 meters. So it's more than 70 meters. See the length. So we need to tag this as long drive. Delete fake driveway. And so I think this is this is wrong. Let's just cut this one like that and submit. Okay, for overlap, what do we do for overlap issue? You just need to press O, okay, to remove the overlap. But you need to mark the or you can just look at when you use O. Okay, so when you use O, guys, make sure that you select the right category. For this one, yan. Select the category and then you just press O. So it will just fix the overlap issue. Okay, it's much faster. Well, you can merge, cut, and whichever tool do you use, make sure that you're familiar with the tools. Okay, so it's much faster. It depends on the error, guys. So for example, for this one, you can use O, or you can just use cut and then we can merge. Okay, so there's a lot of ways to fix topology errors. You will just master it as soon as you get you keep working. You'll just familiarize yourself with the tools. But again, you do not need to work to keep submitting tasks. Okay. So again, the benchmark is based on the difficulty of the task. So do not pressure yourself. Not okay. So some canopy is showing errors. So again, control 1, check the road. I think this is good enough. And just submit. So fake road. I'm not sure if this is a fake road. So for this one, I think this is a fake road, guys. It's just a boundary. Okay, so it's just a boundary. Let's just delete and then we can just submit. Again, for fake roads, fake categories, you need to delete. Okay? We do not need to retain for them. It will cause boundary issues later on. So for guys, any questions? Actually, again, the task is quite easy. You do not need to do a lot of overthinking, a lot of editing. Rule 1. Fake road. This one, this might be a road, okay? Because it has tire track. So we can just ignore for this. This one, we need to delete. When you delete a road, if there is an intersection, you need to merge for this one, okay? Do not leave any intersection that is hanging intersections like this one. So intersection for what? So since we deleted the road on this area, we do not need this intersection no more. So let's just merge. Then this should be good enough. Few more tasks and you can all start work. You can just start. Control 1. This should be good enough. One more. Control 1. This is too ambiguous. Okay, so we have a huge error here. Let's just fix first. Let's fix the shape. Okay, so this is totally wrong. Use the repair tool. Z sorry. Z make the shape reasonable. Okay, this should be good enough. Next, if this is a road, it needs to be connected on this area. So I can tell 100% this is not a railway. Okay. So again, railways are for trains to to move. So this is not a railway. Just change to road. And guys, road, it needs to be connected. Same with driveway, same with every man-made structure, it needs to be connected. Roads do not randomly pop on, for example, like this one. As you can see, there's a road here. So again, it needs to be connected. So for this one, we need to make a connection. Use the filling tool. Fix the shape. And I think this should be good enough. Snap. Oh. So the canopy is causing issues. Control 2 to change to canopy, and then let's just fix. Snap failure. Okay. Just you just need to enlarge the gap for this snap issue. So just use the repair tool to cut a small portion, and okay. One more. Okay, so control 1, fake road, delete. So this is not a pool, this is a pond. So for this one, we need to delete. This should belong to our nature category. Okay, so this should be water, not swimming pool. Swimming pools are man-made objects. This is not. So fake pavement, delete. Fake. I think this is a fake pavement, fake pool, delete. Do not leave fake categories, guys. Fix the shape. Fix the shape. For these weird spikes, you need to fix for that. You need to fix it. So this should be good enough. Fake pavement. This should be fake pavement. Okay. So again, driveways, it needs to be connected to a road. So since this is not connected, it's better to tag this as pavement. So fake building, swimming pool. Okay. I think this might be a swimming pool. This might be a trampoline. I'm not sure. So I think this is a trampoline. Okay, so since it has shadows, this is a net. So I think this is a trampoline. Let's just fix the shape. This is wrong. Fake pavements, delete. Fix the shape. So as you can see, guys, this is not. This is wrong. You need to make the shape be reasonable. Okay, reasonable enough for the client to say this is not an error. Merge. Sorry. Make this to long drive. So we need to avoid this one. This is fine, okay? Since it connects to a long drive. But for this one, it's better to change this to long drive. Make the category more consistent. So pavement, this should be water. Delete fake, what else? Fake long drive, delete. Delete fake driveway. Fix the category. Delete fake sidewalk. And this should be It's wrong. It's better to, what category guys should we use for this one? This one. Who can answer? For this one. Should we keep this as long drive or what? Road, yeah. It's better to change this into road. Make the category more consistent. So fake. This is a fake driveway. Just delete. Fix the road. Outside parking. So this is a wrong category. Change this into driveway up to here. Fix the shape. Let's just fix the shape first. And just draw a driveway. And this should be good enough. Okay, so actually guys, again, the task is quite easy. So again, this is a perfect opportunity for you to practice on your labeling skills, especially on the LC. Most of our projects will be LC related. Okay, LC related. And also, it pays more compared to our basic VR project. Our basic VR project only pays around 75 pesos per hour, whereas LC, lawn cover, it pays around 100 pesos per hour. It depends on your speed, on the difficulty of the task, on your quality. It doesn't mean, guys, that you have submitted a lot of tasks that you will earn more, okay? If you submitted a lot of tasks and it has a lot of errors, it will be pushed back. Every time the task that will be pushed back, you will have a deduction on your earnings. So it's better to submit. You need to balance speed and quality. Okay, you need to balance those in order to earn more. So you do not need to overthink on one category. Just follow. You just follow the rules. Understand the rules. Okay. So if you might be confused of something, just check the banner. Just check. You need to open this one on your tabs. Okay. So you can just review on the documents. If you find something you cannot understand, you can ask your managers. Okay. For this one, it's better to cut. See? Just one more. Okay. Let's just pull one more. Fake. So this is a fake pavement. For fake pavements, again, you need to delete. One more task. Control 2. Control 1. Fake. So delete fake road. It's better to tag this as road. Since we are not sure if this is a long drive. Let's just cut the road here. So I'm not seeing any connection. Ignore. Snap. Okay. For snap, again, for this canopy snapping issue, Control 2. And then just use the Z to fix, to enlarge the gap. And this should be good enough to submit. Okay, so questions for now, guys? Done? Okay, so again, the tab is open for everyone. I hope you can earn a lot on this project. So I think we'll still have a few more refills. Okay, so guys, again, I'm sorry for my English. I'm not that fluent in English. No need to attendance. So again, the tab is open for everyone. So I hope you can earn big on this project. Okay, so this is very easy and this is very newbie friendly. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you for attending. Bye-bye. Hope enjoy your day.